Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Anthony, and on today's short clip we are going to do the service light reset procedure for the oil change on a 2004 Ford Explorer. Once you're inside the vehicle, you can go ahead and insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the second position. This will power on the accessories. Then, using the buttons on the right side of the instrument cluster, you're going to push setup. A message will pop up that says reset to clear, and then go ahead and clear through those messages. Then you're going to push setup until the message on the bottom says press reset at oil change. Push it, and then it'll say hold and reset to confirm. You must push reset while the message is still illuminated in the cluster, or it will automatically reset and you'll have to do the process over again. And then, just to make sure that you reset it, you can go ahead and turn on the vehicle and make sure the message doesn't come back on. And that's it. So that is how you perform the oil life reset on a 2004 Ford Explorer. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to the channel for more content, and we'll see you on the next one.